Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're at a place we've been many times before, but let me tell you what's going on. It's going to rain here probably within an hour and a half. We're supposed to have strong thunderstorms, tornadoes. Yeah, that's what they're calling for. So we're up here at Gladys Russell. We've been here before. We're going to look at the lake in a little bit, and we're going to look at some of the trails. We might even hit a little bit of the trail, and we're going to do some talking about Gladys Russell. Now, it looks like they put some new poles in. It looks like they put new poles in here. Huh. Well, let's go see if they did any upkeep. Let's go see if they did any upkeep to the trails. That's what I want to talk about a little bit. Now, the last time we was here, we did one of the trails, and the trails are not well marked. No. As a matter of fact, it was written on a review not that long ago. If you're not an expert hiker, you will get lost on these trails. And if it wasn't for my wife, Angie, which I call her compass, there she is. I call her compass on a trail. If it wasn't for her, we would have been lost last time we came up through here. But they was also putting down some crushed asphalt. Huh. Not exactly sure what this is all about, but we're going to look and see. All this up here is a wildlife refuge. All the way back through there is nothing but trails after trails. Some of the prettiest trails I've ever seen yet. Well, let's go straight ahead and let's see if we can mark on this trail. Or walk on it. I promise I'll learn to speak when I get back. Now, the first time we ever came here, oh shoot, you know what we just forgot to do?
Spray the spray?
Yeah, we forgot to spray down for ticks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, either we go back and spray or don't hit the woods at all because, yeah, guys, last time we did a hike, we came home with ticks all over us. You wouldn't think there'd be ticks in wintertime, but there is, trust me. All right, you know what? There's no way in hell I'm going to venture in there without at least some kind of spray on us because it was that bad last time we went hiking. We had them all over us. Let's head back. Okay, now let's say we did do a trail. To be honest with you, it would only at the most be for 15 minutes because, like I said, we have storms coming in. So what we're going to do is, and plus the trails are not really marked. Still, see, me being this close to a trail, especially that one right there, I want to touch it. I want to do it. Let's walk over there. Now, if we was to walk down on that trail right there, you think we'll get away without any tick spray?
Should.
Now, there's the trail we went last time. And this trail, we went way, way, way back. And we went way back in there. And it wasn't marked. I mean, you couldn't tell where you was going. The upkeep on these trails is bad. But yet, it's the prettiest trails I've ever seen. You know what? We're going to go in here without bug spray, and we're going to probably wish like hell we didn't. We're going to get a little bit of beauty, blah, 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 blah. We're going to get a little bit of beauty, I swear, guys. I don't know to speak. I swear. We're going to get some beauty, then we're going to head out and go over to the lake and get some real good beauty there. That's right. All right, let's get some beauty, and I promise when I get back, I will learn to speak. I promise you. listen when we walk. Listen how loud these leaves are. Well, we did about a mile. That's good enough. And I showed a sign back there, which was supposed to be telling you what trail's this way, what trail's that way. It's unreadable. Totally unreadable. And these are definitely horse trails as well as hiking trails. I'm here to tell you, you know, I don't care what trail I've been on, this one is the top 3 for beauty. It is truly a hidden gem, and the most coolest part about it is, I'm only, what would you say, about 15, 20 minutes from home? Yeah, about 20 minutes from home. All right, let's head over to the lake, man. Let's get some beauty over there. And let's do some talking over there. Why not, right? Let's talk about the times we've been fishing over there this past summer. Okay, we're at the trailhead, and this actually, I'm sure at one time told you what trail this was. So it either goes that way, or we have another trail going this way, and neither one of them have names. Okay, nope, let's go. Okay, one of the things about down here is, last time we was down here, and actually almost every time we come down here, we see people's dogs off leashes. And we just ran across a monster-sized German Shepherd, and I don't want my dog and that dog fighting, because they will get in a fight. So that means this will almost conclude today's video. Now, my county, this park, this wildlife refuge is in my county. Now, one would have to ask themselves, well, they make it look good, you know, because the barn up here, you know, they have things going on there, like dances and whatnots. They put in a new post. And then you got to ask yourself, hey, take care of all that stuff. I don't want to walk down there because that's close to where the German Shepherd is, but the garbage can's overfilled. Garbage is all over the place. And just about every time we come down here to go fishing, our garbage can was always filled. Now you take Versailles State Park, okay? A lot of people go there for the trails. You know, that's one of the main things for it. And it brings a lot of attention to the park. And then, although this place is free, 100% free, it'd be nice if they can actually go in there and straighten up the trails, fix them up, put signs on which way you're going to go, you know, all that stuff right there. Then again, I have to ask myself this too. Maybe they don't have enough people to do this. But then again, they put in the poles, they put a parking lot back yonder. I don't know. Okay, my lovely wife just corrected me. I stand to be corrected. This barn that they have wedding receptions and whatever in is free to use. It's only donations only. And I would imagine the poles they put up right out here, it was from donated money. But it would be nice if somebody can go back there and remark the trails. Maybe start taking care of the trails. I don't know. I really don't know. You know, maybe I'm wrong about this, but Angie, I don't think our county has any trails like this besides this. Do they? I've been everywhere on every trail you could possibly imagine, guys. I don't think there's any other place in my county that has trails except this. I mean, we have walking paths, but not beautiful trails in the forest like this. And yes, this stands on my top 3 for the prettiest places I've ever hiked. I want to go around the lake, but there's a big old German Shepherd right over yonder, off a leash, and you gotta keep looking over there. And I don't want my doggy and that doggy to fight, because they will. And as big as my dog is and that dog is, oh, ain't no way you're gonna break that shit up. Alright guys, this is it. This is kind of like a low-key hike video type thing. In my book, it's a freaking fail. I want to show more of the lake. Sorry, I didn't get to do that, y'all. Yeah, Stormy, I blame me. See, my dog comes with us everywhere we go right now. And to keep her safe, if it costs us my video, then it costs us my video. So, there it is. Alright guys, leave comments down below. And if you're ever in my neck of the woods, look for Gladys Russell and go ahead and take your chances on hiking on them trails. If you can find your way in and out, which probably you can, you're probably better than me, it is going to be some of the prettiest hiking trails you will ever see. I promise you that, hands down. Until next time, come on! Let's get out of here. And real quick, tomorrow when I do my daily day walk, the wind gust is going to be up to 45 miles an hour. On average, 30 miles an hour. It is going to be nasty. So, we're supposed to get thunderstorms. And the sun's out and it's looking pretty dark over there. Alright guys, that's it. Leave me comments. We'll see you soon.